Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best model car kits is probably one of the most engaging hobbies for kids aged 8 to 12. These kits offer a fantastic blend of creativity and learning, allowing children to build their own miniature vehicles. From classic cars to race cars, these kits not only provide a fun activity but also help develop crucial skills like hand-eye coordination, patience, and problem-solving abilities, making them a perfect choice for young enthusiasts. Number 5. VERTOY STEM RC Building Kit. Introducing the VERTOY STEM RC Building Kit. This amazing set is designed for kids aged 6 to 12, offering a fun and educational experience. With 353 pieces, this kit lets you build either a pickup truck or a racing car. All the components are made of high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic. This toy is built to last. You can assemble it repeatedly, and it won't easily break apart, even during rough play. This ensures hours of fun. Control the truck indoors or race it outdoors. It can easily navigate most flat surfaces, including sand and grass. Kids can play it with friends and family. The truck is fully drivable with the included remote control, which has a range of 12 meters. The car can run continuously for at least half an hour. This STEM project set is the ideal gift for kids aged 6 to 12. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of fun and learning. What we like. This set offers the unique ability to build 2 different vehicles. It's perfect if you want a toy that offers variety and extended play. It's also built to last, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. If you're looking for a gift that provides both fun and durability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bricks are the quality of Legos and Technic blocks. The robot's rechargeable battery came fully charged, and as soon as it was built we played with it. The kit is of really good quality, compatible with other name brands, so lots of opportunities to expand and build large RC models and a fun gift to give to your kids. Number 4. WisePlay RC Car Kits for Kids ages 8 to 12. Introducing a STEM building toy that's also a super cool RC sports car. This kit has 380 pieces, keeping kids engaged as they build their own fully functional remote control car. It's the best of both worlds. This STEM project kit is perfect for boys of all ages. It's a great way to spend quality time together as a family. Just make sure Dad doesn't hog all the fun. The step-by-step instructions are designed with kids aged 8 to 12 in mind. The process is straightforward, making it easy for them to build and enjoy the car. This RC car building kit is carefully designed to spark imagination. It provides a chance to develop motor skills and problem-solving abilities while building it. Kids will experience double the fun with this RC car building toy. It's a wonderful gift for Easter, birthdays, or any special occasion. Click Add to Cart now. What we like. This kit transforms into a cool remote control sports car. It's designed to boost creativity and problem-solving skills. If you're looking for a fun and educational gift that encourages hands-on learning and family time, this is a great option. What people say. He played with the RC chassis all Christmas Day. He assembled the body later, at home. The car goes fast, and the body seems to hold up to bumps and carpeted stairs. Number 3. Poraxy 5-in-1 STEM Kit for Kids. This amazing STEM kit provides everything needed to build 5 different model cars. It's a fun and engaging way for kids to explore engineering concepts. This kit encourages kids to learn and reinforce basic STEM principles. It's a unique building experience that combines education with entertainment. Assembling these toys helps children develop hand-eye coordination and intellectual skills. It stimulates their interest and curiosity in the world around them. These STEM toys can be painted and decorated to create unique crafts. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. All parts are made of non-toxic and safe materials. The laser-cut 3D wooden puzzles are easy to assemble, reducing screen time and promoting hands-on learning. What we like. This kit allows you to build 5 different model cars. It's designed to enhance STEM knowledge and encourage hands-on learning. If you like a toy that offers variety and educational value, you should consider this. What people say. My 9-year-old built these himself, just the right amount of challenging. Great learning toy with immediate results. They all worked. He said the instructions were clear. He says the plane is the best one. The 5-in-1 STEAM kits were a huge hit with my boys during our trail life meeting. We used them to talk about modeling, and they fit perfectly into our lesson. The boys had a blast working with them, and they were easy to use while still being engaging. I'll definitely be ordering them again for our next hobbies class. I'm also planning to get more kits for my son's homeschool curriculum. Highly recommend for hands-on learning and creativity. Set includes parts to assemble 5 vehicles. Most are motorized. I have used others. Not only are they educational but rewarding in developing skills and self-confidence. You need to have some basic skills in soldering, but kids will enjoy building and the final result. Number 2. WisePlay RC Car Building Box Set. This STEM building toy is also a remote control sports car. It keeps kids engaged as they assemble the fully functional RC race car. It's a fun way to spark their imagination. This 306-piece kit offers hours of fun. It allows children to develop motor skills and problem-solving abilities. They can build it alone or with friends and family. This kit is designed to enhance imagination and creativity. It provides a chance to develop motor skills and problem-solving ability. It's a great way to learn while having fun. The car itself needs 3 XAA batteries, and the remote controller needs 2 XAAA batteries. Batteries are not included. Get ready for hours of fun with this awesome RC car. The kit includes straightforward, step-by-step instructions. They are designed with 6 to 10-year-olds in mind. It makes building the car easy and enjoyable. This RC car building toy is a fantastic gift for kids aged 6 to 10. It's perfect for Easter, birthdays, or any special occasion. Click Add to Cart and give the gift of fun. What we like. This kit transforms into a cool remote control sports car. It's designed to boost creativity and problem-solving skills. If you're looking for a fun and educational gift that encourages hands-on learning and family time, this is a great option. What people say. Fun to build, fun to draw. Age appropriate, easy to put together. The size is just right for a 9-year-old boy, and not to mention the awesome blue color. It's pretty sturdy and holds up when it bumps into things. Number 1. WisePlay RC Car Building Kit, STEM Toy. This amazing STEM kit lets you build a fully functional remote control car. It's a fun and engaging project for kids and adults alike. With 457 pieces, this RC car building kit will keep you occupied for hours. You can snap them together to assemble your own RC car. Spend quality time together with the whole family. This STEM project is perfect for kids and adults, and it's sure to bring everyone together. The kit comes with a straightforward, step-by-step guide. It gives kids the chance to build on their own, enhancing their skills. Each durable block is made with safe and long-lasting materials. This RC car building kit is carefully engineered to help kids enhance their motor skills, creativity, and problem-solving ability. Make it the most wonderful gift for boys and girls. It's perfect for Christmas, birthdays, Hanukkah, and more. Get yours today. What we like. This kit transforms into a cool remote control sports car. It's designed to boost creativity and problem-solving skills. If you're looking for a fun and educational gift that encourages hands-on learning and family time, this is a great option. What people say. Great model and works as expected. Sure, it's not the Lego Jeep Wrangler, but this one comes with RC and BT control and lights. The main chassis is one big part, and I was a bit disappointed first, but when completing the build it made sense and actually makes the model pretty sturdy, as it includes the motors for the rear-driven axle, with suspension, and front axle with steering. The front and rear lights are a nice feature, and they start blinking when the model has no connection to the remote or running low on battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.